So good morning students. Today I will discuss how can we compare the fractions. Okay. So in the last class I have discussed how can we how can we convert two or more fractions into like fractions. So I have discussed two processes. First process, suppose you have given two fractions 2 upon 3, 4 upon 5. So first process is multiply this denominator with the numerator and denominator with this fraction, and multiply this denominator with the numerator and denominator of this fraction. Okay. And second process was, suppose two fractions are given like this 3 upon 14 and 2 upon 7. So calculate the LCM of two fractions, LCM of two denominators. If there is two fractions, then we must have two denominators, but if you have given more than two fractions, then there is more than two denominators. So the process, just learn the process. Process is first calculate the LCM of the denominators. Okay, first calculate LCM of denominators. So LCM is 7, 1, 14, 2, 4. So LCM is 7 into 2 is equals to 14. So here 14, also here 14. Okay. Next process you know. So 14, how can you get 14 with 14? So 14 into 1, so we have to multiply 1 with 3 also. So 3 into 1, 3. Next 7, 14. So how can we get 14 from 7? By multiplying 2. So here we also have to multiply 2 with the numerator. So 2 into 2, 4. Okay. So this is the process. How can we convert two or more fractions into like fractions? This process is applicable for two fractions, but this process is applicable for more than two fractions. So this process is very much important. I am clearing you. Just learn this process very carefully. Okay, this is very important process, because after that you have given more than two fractions, so you have to use this process. Okay, this process is very much easy. Okay, so next, how can we compare the factors? So to compare the factors, so here we will get, suppose 2 upon 3, 5. So to compare the fractions, first you have to convert the fractions into like fractions. To compare the fractions, first you have to convert the fractions into like fractions. Okay, so how can we convert the fractions into like fractions? So as you have given two fractions, then you can use this method, or you can also use this method, but this method is easier, so that's why I am. And also here is also given two fractions, so I am using this process. So 5 into 2, 5 into 3, that means is equals to 10 upon 15 and is equals to 3, 4, 12 upon 15. Okay. Now see, denominators are same. Like fractions mean denominators are same. Okay. So now you have to compare. Only numerator. Excuse me. You have to compare only the numerator. That means if numerators are equal, then the fractions are equal. So I am writing first, numerators equal means fractions are equal. Second, if numerators are different, then the fractions are different, and if the numerators of one fraction is greater, that means numerator greater means fraction is greater. Clear or not? Numerators equal means fractions are equal. Numerator greater means fraction is greater. That fraction is greater actually. So here you see, here numerator 10, here numerator 12. So which numerator is greater? 12. So this fraction also will be greater. That means 4 upon 5 greater than 2 upon 3. So this is our required result. So I am giving another example. Suppose you have given two fractions like this, 2 upon 7 and 4 upon 14. So see, for this kind of sum, I am telling, first you have to convert this into like fractions. So I am telling not to do the multiplication with the denominators. It is not needed actually. It is not needed. You can do this, no problem. Okay, you can do this, do the multiplication with the denominators, but it is not needed. You can get the answer without multiplying the denominator. So multiply the denominators of one fraction with the numerator of the other fraction, and similarly multiply of one fraction. So multiply the denominator of one fraction into the numerator of the other fraction. Clear? Because if we multiply with denominator, then the fraction must be last place. This process is also to get the like fractions, because here I am just doing multiplying with the numerators, but I am not doing the denominators actually. Why? Because if we do the multiplication, then the denominators must be same. If you do the multiplication with denominator, then no problem. Here I am just check. Here you have not asked to calculate the or to convert the fractions into like fractions, but here you have asked just compare the fraction, not factor fractions, just compare the fractions. Okay, so for this we do not multiply or we do not check the multiplication with the denominator. So if you do the multiplication, 2 into 14 is equals to 28 and 7 into 4 is equals to 28. So here you see 28 is equals to 28. So multiplication are same, that means the fractions are equal. Fractions are equal. Okay, so if you do the multiplication, then no problem. 4 to 28 upon 14 into 7. 14 into 7, 98. Next, 7 into 4, 28. 7 into 14, 98. So if you do the multiplication, no problem. Denominators must be same. So no problem with it. But here we will just check the numerators. We will just check the numerator. For this, we will just check the multiplication of the denominator of one fraction with the numerator of the other fraction, and we will compare the result or the product. Clear? Clear? Can I show another example? Okay, just same. Suppose you have given like this, 3 upon 5 and 4 upon 5. 4 upon 7. 4 upon 7. So just check it. So now 3 into 7 is equals to 21, and 5 into 4 or 4 into 5 is equals to 20. So here you see 21 is greater than 20. 21 greater than 20. So we can say 3 upon 5 greater than 4 upon 7. But you see, by seeing this fraction, by watching or by checking this fraction, can we say which one is greater or which one is lesser? We cannot say. We cannot say by seeing this. But if we do this process, we can easily say that this fraction is greater than this fraction. Okay? Understand? So the process are very easy. Okay? Just compare the fraction. And suppose you have given fraction like this, mixed fraction. So like this. So now first you convert the mixed fraction into an improper fraction. So 5 into 10, 13 upon 5 and 6, 18 upon 18 plus is equals to 23 upon 6. Okay. So first convert this mixed fraction into an improper fraction. Next do the same process like this. So 13 into 6, 78. 23 into 5 is equals to 115. So 115 is greater than 78. So this fraction must be greater than, that means 3, 5, 6 greater than 2, 3 is 5. Clear? Clear? So first convert the mixed fraction into the into an improper fraction, then do the same process. Multiply the denominator with the numerator of other fraction and multiply the denominator of one fraction with the denominator of the other numerator of the other fraction, and check the result or check the product. Bas the result which is greater, that fraction must be greater, and which is lesser, then that fraction must be lesser. And if the both the my product is equal, here I have done a product is equal, then the fractions are equal. Clear? Can you do it easily? Okay. So just reminding the process. Multiply just mean the process. How can you convert a fraction into like fraction? First, multiply the denominator of one fraction with the numerator of the other fraction. Similarly, multiply the denominator of one fraction with the numerator of the other fraction, and check the result or compare the result. Okay, compare only numerator. So actually I mean to say, after this is the after multiplication. So after multiplication, if we see numerators are equal, then fractions are equal. If we see numerators, which numerator is greater, that fraction is greater. Okay. So thank you students, do it well.